Hi, my name is Milton Kiza, and today you'll be spending a day with me. First of all, come to training. Ukraine bafethu. Hambani la. Sharp sharp. Hey bafethu Ukraine. Mnandi. Hambani la bafethu. Mnandi. It's a Monday, kumele ushaye isazi relax ube emsebenzini yabo. Ngiyazazazela ngirelaxile. Ngofa Mr. John Ukraine. Hey Mr. Moon.
Hey Che.
How's it?
Che.
I'm done.
Hey, but don't forget that I'm Sunday.
I'm done. Lina silidlile lini. Man United the equalizer late. How far that? Hey Miss Ukraine. Eh? Elibona izaza Che.
Prana boy.
Eh,
Prana boy. One don't mutizo.
Eh, bafethu limnandi.
It's fine. It's fine. I
Usezaza mfethu lokufunakala ikhadi. Ubonile udlile inethi mfethu. But to show injury, coach told him keep half time. Some rest. Some rest. Tell Arsenal. Cause umchitelo wana ntubele red card, ne?
Kuyosha umuntu ngempango la. Unethemba ne.
Just the food to finally something about this and then.
Knox is a very versatile player. He can play into spaces, he can play fit, he can run, he can establish play from him. So it's quite dynamic. I rate him very highly. And to be honest with you, I think he was amongst the players we were considering for my previous club because of his ability to score, his versatility in terms of being able to play with the back against the defenders and also playing in between the defenders, and also the potential to exploit the spaces behind. I think his finishing has dropped a little bit, but we rated him very highly, and personally I rate him very highly.
And now, see, like we come here to chill with the guys because I invited them to come after training so that you can have a pranyana by the pool, yeah? So it's something nice and something chill. I will go. Let's go and see. Relaxanini bafethu. Ku-right kanjani. Oh,
Martin, vision.
I like to thank my wife and my kids.
What's the good key, when
What's your class? I suppose I do like
But khonapho ungathola imeni loyali khonapho imeni umuntu oyi-1 phakathi wonke umuntu khona.
My girlfriend mayiphatha kahle yabo iyayiphumela nosinami.
Hayi mfethu akunyabeni sayagezisa. Kanjani? Anto sitya sakhulumi ngayo le nto.
Wathi nento meningi.
Abe baleka lo wami. Hey. Lowa. Yambuka baleka kanjani? Hey, what was that? Anisho bafethu ilentuza load shedding i-affecta kanani league West Africa.
Yabo nothi ngilula ngaso kukhona igame yethu ngama point esasema bamungbo asasana sesidemand
Yeah, super sport ne.
so makwenza lezi zinto kanjalo yabo ukuthi nathi the way is really more
It's 3 months.
outcome yabo yabo we can't because here that's what into for the country so isikhathi naso sasa
Ngenzeka uyithola team intengentenge bese ibuya si strong besafana nokutholiwe yabo kudimala.
Oh. But you see yafana nayo you see ayifana newet ne because newet yaphazamisa kakhulu. Yeah. Yeah.
Sagcina singadlalanga thina abanye babesicine kudala yabona. Mfethu.
Ikhathi le i-rugby ukuthi kumele usupport uwife wakho or girlfriend wakho while you playing. Do you think nakwibhola is the same thing? No, phela sijoyela ukuyibola kwi-rugby. Yinto sijoyele ukuyibola kwi-rugby phela. Yinto sijoyele ukuyibola.
ayenzeki football
Asikazi ibola, asikazi like Shuti. Shuti writing unokuletha hayi. I have 2 men. Shuti bese bakhona bafihle ne?
obviously private life yami yami so sina sikhuliswa kanjani sabantu abamnyama ukuthi angazi wena nawe ngithi I'm sure now umuntu wakho
Yeah.
best yakusupport iDurban Dutch
Well supporter. Kade.
umsebenzi wakho
Ngizosebenza njengamanje. Dawubhizi konke ayenzayo.
umuntu wami angisupport kakhulu
Yeah.
I'm behind coach wami, man. Behind closed doors. Ukhona Pitso.
Manje nje ngicabanga kanjani ngale season entsha bafethu le season esikiwa nje so. Yini ehlukile ne previous season?
Yawazi ukuthi mina into engayisho ukuthi nje just like yabona i-life kanti injalo yabo. Even nathi season yethu ayibanga kanhle yabona like vele life kunama ups and downs mfethu yabona. Ungayithatha ibheke uyibone i-position esikiyo like nge-quality like i-arrows esinayo mfethu like we're not supposed to be in that position mfethu yabo. So that's why ukuthi life every time yasifundisa ukuthi zonke izinto azingenza flow kanje kunama ups and down elifini yabo. But yabona into ezikanje ukuthi like we can sit down sikhulume ngazo izinto. Sonke umuntu lapho umsale yakwazi usulu edi suke menzi nqubeko like yakwazi ukuthi guys asimelanga sibe lapho let's try and pull up our socks yabo. La mina into engiyibona ngazi abanye amathida lethini
Thini?
lawo ama-games ukubona ngazo ukuthi uzini abantu abangamelanga singos i-TS Galaxy away also ngale TS Galaxy home nobody home yabo
Hey baby.
onamagezi
Hey kodwa yashisa. So far guys, how is coach Manqoba? However, I need to hear from you guys.
abanye bayikhamba ukusebenza nathi kumele kudala basipromote ukuthi ama-results angayenza kahle kodwa lowo muntu uhamba singasamanzi yilaba abasha kumele babona kanjani.
Mina njengokwami because I think usalethe into positive thing ngiyabheka kahle basically on the previous results thina singayena Sundowns like weeks back late yabo not according to us but a week usuka lot efikile
women injili
just one day with us. So that's
Just of the mindset.
it says a lot about his presence and honestly, it's up so we want to know player that the energy can be but so far all is looking well. Even now, when is saying the same thing. And
garage man, first door.
but they're saying good things about what is happening and the NI particular. So
Sharp.
we'll be right, of course.
Straightforward.
Straightforward.
And you can see use the same bunch of players.
For sure.
Yeah, from the previous game against Sundowns.
Yeah.
Same.
Straight.
Yeah, so
Straight.
How do you keep up with season bafethu ube consistent? Uyenza kanjani lo? Thina sibe sishaya inyethi, sikhuphale, sibuka sibanganani. Nihlala kangakanani kwi-weight? Nihlala kangakanani bafethu kwi-weight? Nihlala nini nitse? Thina bafethu soshaya inyethi nabashaya inyethi nje.
Sebenza ngawo Sipho. Wena usebenza ngale.
uyazi ukuthi umese kungalondekanga ngeke usike. Usomele sisekongo manje ukapaka usike bazokusuka ayishesha.
Ingana weight edingeke ejimini like edingeke ethimini like ekuthiwa hayi muso uyeqila ayingeke.
What is the difference? Imizimba efana.
Um,
Umenzo mambona emngaka is probably 62 umzimba wakhe too overweight is 65. Mhlawumbe uzuka umzimba amabubuzo ube uzuka umzimba yabadala. Ayafana umzimba yabo.
Bathi engisawazwile nje nox ingaphansi kwa100 lapho ko 760.
Hayi.
Manje ngikhalile bengimtshela mina ukuthi
Ngimtshelile ngathi owami like I'm 68 like for the past 5 years. Ejimini checker every day. Ejimini checker every day weight you can ask them checker every day. Yebo.
Wonke umuntu ujudge based on his goal.
so niphila health issues guys thina nishaye alcohol ni sharp. Siyasayidedela manje ngibuka ngizibhalansisa nami lonto le bukele. Shouldn't nishaye alcohol ni clean yila u green.
Yeah, green man.
Inye kuphela sakwazi ukubona.
It's green. So guys,
But consistency is hard. Never mind the weights nani. Nezinto nokudlala ibhola ukuba consistent kuzo kuyophela isizini ayikho into enzima njengani. It's not only weight umuntu. Weight umuntu umuntu yeqa u 2 kilos 1 kilo wayo sharp. Same as ibhola nakhona. I-consistency ukuyibamba is very hard bro. Ngeke ngiqamba mama. You really mafukeni uqala isizini kahle. Right now is dropping because consistency is hard. Not just umzimba nje kuphela. Almost everything kuba consistent kunzima. That's why the top players are getting more money because ba consistent uqala isizini la iqedela. Akehli unyuka kuphela menyukile ubamba leso standard. Same with the weight.
yes.
Because remember mfethu like yabona in soccer ne ngizoqala mina like no one knows me yabona manje ngiyafika ngikore 5 games in a row. Like for the next 5 games every team is planning for me. So yenzeka mfethu mina benkora like weekend and for fun mara even manje mangikhulume ingene egroundini man I know phela ukuthi unokuphetha mina ngikora mina ngiyenza uzabona imentality yazi uthi inkinga yini mfethu mina like mina ingqondo zethu zi different la uLungelo ungena egroundini like akazitshela ukuthi ufuka ukora usulu la igo ibonus but mina the first thing ngingena egroundini I don't care about anything ithi amfethu kumele ngikore yabo so yabona like into short ascore kanjani istress mfethu sihleli la kuthina mfethu
kodwa sinento eshoyo imentality yabo manje noma mentality kuba ngicabanga ukuthi sonke masibhekene fanele sicabanga ukukora
yabo
ngabe kuthiwa uya-create but ukukora fa ukucabanga
Kuyenzeka ukuthi yabo pendula leyo tatbisho yabo ungasho ukuthi okay sharp udlala kahle ngenxa yokuthi okay inkinga ukuthi ascore but lezo zinto izinto yabo ngoba ngisho ukuthi singadlala kahle and then all angithi ama qualities zethu wonke obvious awafani the more sizokwazi ukutholana ukuthi okay umenzi ime lapha uzokufaka i-cross or umenzi ime lapha what's required from him ukuthi mhlawumbe adribulishe umuntu yabo those are the missing links izinto eyishoda ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngime-understand lo muntu engidlala naye because phela umuntu uyabheka kahle isikhathi esiningi kudlala abantu aba-different yabo so uthola ukuthi omunye akam-understandi ngani sishosha ngalokho ukuthi si-understandane ukuthi okay umenzi umnandi mesa short or umenzi umnandi me-over the line or umenzi umnandi yabo yilezo zinto ey'misayo uthola ukuthi uma ngidlala kahle but ushode igoli
and ngithathe responsibility kodwa
ya into kanjani
phela siyafika lapha hayi ukuthi asifiki and khona uthola ukuthi asafanele ngi-understand manje ukuthi unokusushaya lena nawo mlomo webhali wakushaya inkulu
confident
yeah
confident so the more singadlali kahle bese besibulawa lelo ukuthi besingenayo confident but manje ngithi ubona ama positive ukuthi sidlala kahle so amagoli ke nawo aseyenza ngoba the more usuke believe ukuthi ngiyashisa manje nawo sozozama ukushaya efanele
because yabona igame ethi le eqeda udlula like yeSundowns ubonile wonke umuntu yabona ibelief mentality uthi ishintshile wonke umuntu manage like first 20 minutes we managed to keep position like fit ibi high position yethu kanje so mfethu yabona wonke umuntu ule mindset lana ukuthi manje siya we can play sohlala siyokora siyenzani when we managed to score yabo mfethu yabona mina u10 kumele ngikore phela like I'm sure last season like ever since I came to Arrows mfethu then 2 years like it's last season this year ikaphela engikore less than 10 sometimes thobane mfethu like in life ne kumele sithathe like ama games and into enhle kunama stats kune everyday like egaming mina last season maybe like probably maybe 15 games bendlala as a left wing yabona and then kodwa like umuntu ongaphandle lese umuntu osezim like ongayibukeli igame ongazi mfethu nokufika sakore yabona akakore bekhona u-start 9 up bekhona but ezinye izinto yabona asikho ukuthi ngiyayikhulumela what
So Jenzi, how do you hang pressure game?
yabo manje ukade sikhuluma nge-frustration yokuthi siya-create score i-pressure leyo nto yabo
yikho lami ngimbuza ukuthi i-pressure kodwa
Nama-supporter ye-game. Ye-game ngizibela thina sesibukile.
yabo lento eshoyo zothi ningena egamini neplan yabo but ayisenzeki nje uplan so qhamuka ama-frustrations-ke lapho
Futhi nama-personalities angafani nonke, sure. Indlela ebesibona ngayo to each other isafana.
That's why it's a team that kumele si-understand. Yabo athi sisakhuluma ngalokho yabo khona like kumele personality mangaka akufana so yabo ukuthi ngoba namanje la sonke basamathimbithi kumele sazi ukuthi sinimake like ama-game ma-tough mhlawumbe we have a certain type of players udlulayo on mhlawumbe udlulisa nabanye yabo izinto lezo in-team mhlawumbe isikhathi sama-team ethu responsibilities ukuthi siyithole khona into esingarela kuyena une-heart ukuthi angakwazi ukuthi azidlulise ishintshe like isikhathi esiningi ukubona ngithi abantu besikini kakhulu umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi ashintshele asithelele ama-supporter azimthini umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi asiwinele like i-crowd kuyoba ngisho sometimes kube kudingakala like and umsebenzi wakhe lapha ukuthi kancane ukuthi kuyophumula lapho just athi usimotibate yabo
ngithi uzothi njengami nje ukubona uma bemfaka
into emnandi ne uyabona la ama-defenders bazokulanda bekhuluma kathi sidefende lapho asicreate ama-chance ligeja wato so into emnandi kuyikorela ibhola ubuyele labo kubona ukuthi bafethu sesikorile labo bengakori lapho yabo. So manje like that's why I was saying ukuthi in life like in general in ups and downs we did like season it's almost for it as it's not great bafethu like in position esikuyona vele like we're not supposed to be in that position. I want the quality mfethu bheka ubone mfethu alabantu abangekhoyo lapho mfethu equality mfethu yabona mfethu so
ngabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma ukuthina lesi nabantu abasheshe bajike yabona ukuduba kwakho kuyakhipha igame claro futhi ngini wesikhathi sisakuvusa igame yakho bese la uvuka khona igame pheli uyabona ukuthi awusefana naleso ngegame usibele ukuthi umuntu angene kuwena or opponent ekhona sikubona ngathi ungayiziphi not because uyayiziphi kodwa manje usuqhubeka sami siqede bese esoyenza azile ukuzohlala eground so kuningi omunye lokulandela ingabanye abasabancane abasakhula le league futhi iyashesha ngomqondo la hamba ngibona ukuthi uyalahleka manje kulokumkhaya yabona ukuthi singaphezulu nemsebenzi eminingi kanti impana uyamaka attack ningi unomsebenzi ofuza
But I didn't just meant pressure big games. Pressure big games for thina mfethu. For mina start. Ilast thing akhona. Lo muntu ethi minutes ayinja la Saturday noma inini. Uyaqeda. Wathi uChako uNox waya phambili wa dribble umuntu. Leyo pressure automatically goes away because uyasho. Siyangena la yenzeka lento. Wathi uChaka waya 1 2 sonke uyena nje yesasasa sithi ayokwenza izinto zenzeke ashona phansi wathi uzokwaqala wayiphasa ngaphandle yabo ukuthi ayisese yaqala yona yabo wathi uNox way receiver kanje emoyini asekonakela ilapho ke pressure ifika khona but once lawo players lawo uthi ama pillars wayebamba wathi umlungu uyakena kanje bamama ngoba naye siphakathi ngeni
Kulo mhlali phezulu uthi yathi ngokushaya lapho
likhona
yabo ngishaya
uNkulunkulu usobele ngithi ngeke
awungena ukuthi akena phakathi
kafanana mfethu
ubona kathi sendithu lapho ngathi sendithu uthayibo
Sumeza ngawukhipha lahlelile
ground defense sicabana sonke sise ground ukuthi people don't understand that nabantu abakwazi ukuthi ngempela unokusho la lo muntu onzani yabo ngoba nakho kusokuyi leyo pressure lemkhuluma
Mocabanga how much do you think into enzeka personally kuwena elifini i-affecta ngana la backgroundini ocabanga
sometimes yeah not affect sometimes but that's why umuntu ozophila naye kumele wenze show because naye affects naye usi akazi uyaffecta uyafika egroundini une stress sokuthina indaba yabo
because one thing mina engayibona ngathi thina ama-soccer players si-fragile mfethu yabona so mfethu ipartner yakho mfethu kuyameze like you-understand mfethu ngeke mfethu ziyakhala
understand la ibona noma enganazi but uma ijoni inyama I understand noma ibegeni ngathi ngaphuma kakhulu kwambuzo ufunani ngoba ngidinga ukuthi bese uyayisho lo because wena umthetho ucinga uba ngempela uphumo wami yabo bese sokwabhlungu lapho
so singayiconsider kahle indaba ye-mental health ezama-player ukuthi kufanele kwi-state is right
ugrand bafo
kumele ngikhohlwe ngona ngishaya
And mara like most of ama-player bafethu like i-mentality yabo mfethu like igudi yazi mfethu. If you know how many things esgo through ngafethu kodwa mfethu.
But thina outside sibona ukushaya ingane, sibona kwamanye umuntu ebizayo, sibona lo mpilo ukuthi no, hey, this one is living life, hey. Singaphandle phela thina.
Mentality like nginamanga mfethu mentality abadlali bebhola mfethu hayi top mfethu strong mfethu yazi uthi le enye into like ebalulekileyo yazi esibalekelayo like most of thina sonke ama soccer player mfethu like isikhule kunzima yabo so lento leyo uthi ayicabanga uthi mfethu i-soccer is not a long career mele usave imali like ekhaya background vele awukho grand babheke wena imonth end mayiphela yabona so mele usave imali ekhaya babheke wena everything yabona ukuthi mfethu i-mentality yakhona strong kanjani mfethu
Yini insenifundile nge-teamwork because ngiyanibona hayi ni-teamwork ngumuntu eyodwa yini nje senifunde kakhulu nge-teamwork
asidlala i-tennis la kushayela kwamenzi kushayela kwami yabo ngoba seseklabhini eyodwa kuthiwa kunephutha elikhona ifaka wonke beseklabhini so kwamele uvikele igcinile ukuthi sisebenzisane sibe into eyodwa kuyenzeka phela ukuthi kuphuma khona kube imoto ngakhona bayaqondiswa system lasethi siqhubeke nasakho asiyi
because yawazi ukuthi into eyisilima ngebhola like a funny thing about soccer yini if like we are teammates like this okay as a defender midfielder goalkeeper striker midfielder if we win wonke umuntu uyashayina wonke umuntu yabona kanjani akhona nje ama-individual awards mara like let's make an example like if we win i-league manje PSA league ne wonke umuntu mfethu umenzi ekasi lakhe menzi win i-league usuke win i-league ngokusezimbabwe yabona so i-teamwork that's why engena khona yabona la ukuthi if we win sonke yabo
ithini i-view yenu ngocoach bale South Africa because thina ngokuthi sine-view yethu ngoba hle sibukile because kubuye ngathi iyona ke ngisesibhekene nale South Africa ithini i-view yenu ngoba nisuke nge-groundini siyayona leyo nto
why I think as a professional player you need to know also what type of problems to comment into Intertaker because the media can take care of you also.
But mina ngazi next nge-coaching but mina I think manje mfethu coaching here these days like idinga uthi isikhathi sakho sonke like uyibeke ku-coaching mfethu because yabona ukuthi ibhola mfethu liyashintsha ama-tactic ashintsha mfethu everything yabo so I think uthi like i-coaching like for now yabona uGuardiola I'm sure uGuardiola abalali that's why ubona maybe the chair like uhambe kanjani
Zabangana nabakhuluma TV
ama-former players
yeah Benzo Pesce Oro ikin Pesce Oro ikin ongeni nebelu la South Africa sicabangana
bapho
What I think of them is most of them are biased.
obvious
I support
goalkeeper ama-save striker maybe ama-goal ne
Yeah.
i-midfielder like ama-creative okay angeke ngaba ngu-number 10 mina i-team maybe iwine 1-0 kodwa ngenza ikhili lesigagani
access yama-stats
hayi ke
Because ngabe bani ke observer lo lezo zinto ke.
ukuthi I think siyasicabanga kakhulu laba bantu athi abayicabangi le nto kakhulu
Yathobani ngenzakalani manje niggas manje imidfielder let's say number 10 kusho ama pass
And 20 passes, somehow 8, because in that game, so number chance was shy place.
Meko washaya amagoli nje.
Clean though.
Qualified ukwenza lo. Ngoba phela le nto phela ube qualified.
Vele ngithi into eqhamuka egrandini sekuthiwa nayi
Iqhamuka kuba.
bayazi phela bona ingakho ivele ikhetho nje lapho le ikhethwa khona.
Ngoba phela ukubhala ama-stats. Akukho lula.
So yeah, you know, midfield, ibhola nayo awuthwele.
Bano brand.
Washaya amagoli.
Ngayo.
Emzansi. Awuphenjani ovela. But awupita awayigoti awupita nto. Awayigoti nje. Awayingweni.
Knowledge musona.
Hayi ukuthi uKnowledge yena like ngimtholile la sihlale sonke but uPeter amphethe hayi. uPeter nje bekuthiwa yabona like if masinzo iToli kuthiwa lese iCoventry yadlala namhlanje national team elidlala neweekend edlala namhlanje fly bese kudlala eKore yabo
Supportani pressure.
obvious
Engakosho lutho.
uthini country oyi club hayi club uRonaldo basi ingathuki ne hayi menu ubonile solo spell edraw kuArsenal kuthiwa siwiki
Yabo thatha isikhathi esithanda. Uyakubonisa lo muntu uthi embarrass.
simini
Kwanya eyisola nje manje.
Arsenal izolo uDeclan Rice uyikhona ziyakhuluma
Uyachaza manje no.
Boss, chaze kangana nikho simsuka baphutha.
hayi okay dazakhe ne
Yasawa.
United ne
Simkhathi ukubona. Sure.
menu athron
Amandawo thatha isikhathi eside kanje.
abenkanti uthi country vele country Portugal obviously
Uyabuza ukuthi Ronaldo ithi
Mama so iZimbabwe dlane Portugal supportani.
obviously Zimbabwe ngabe ngifuna swine 2-1 kwenze Thilo Ronaldo ekore yabona ngithi 2-1
Wani ngoshathu.
no Ronaldo ngikade ngiyokuthi egodi ngicela ijezi lakho khona mambiso mfethu mina ngibatshele ngestory
Awusitshele sinoku.
mfethu like lamemele ngidlale phesheya mfethu bahamba like I want to try especially like serious like I got
Try kuyiphi club?
like I got the opportunity to go to Belgium to go to Germany yabona like I did got the opportunities yabo and then like I think mentality yami la mensanjani nesane mentality encane mfethu if lami ngathi mfethu I can stay lapho anything even ngaze ngithola imali encane kanjani ngibhare ngihlale I know what I want yabo and then mina ngashesha ngajika ithi ngisheshe ngajika ngabuya ngase ngasayina eSouth Africa
Oh wafika? Oh.
yabo and then bhare ngashesha ngajika because mentality yami ngangikhala ngezinto mfethu like ngaba embarrassed ngento engakhuluma ngazo phambili lapho into engangikhala ngazo yabo so but if patient and everything bafethu I'm in Europe now ne nokusiza in Europe phela mawukhula mfethu eBulawayo eZim going to Europe it was something yes I'm in Europe now I'm staying no matter what mfethu like I regret it manje hlezi lapha I do regret it yabona so that even I can tell even like young stars bafethu yabona opportunity to go to Europe my man if you got it you must grab it very like that's a good opportunity mfethu yabona
Mase manje uthola ithuba lokuthi select i-country ongahamba odlala kuyona ngadlala kwephi?
manje obvious Manchester United and you know it's possible as like I'm not saying it manje I'm not saying manje like I'm saying it maybe like when you are 15 years Like, you know, a Europe 15 years, 18 years, 19, 20, ne? Like, obviously, kule youngster izoyibuka le video yethu, le nto yethu esishow. Like, if you're 18, 15 and you got an opportunity to go to Europe, my man, just be patient, just be mentally strong. Ama-parents akho uzothi sujika after 8 years, babe sebe happy for you, mfethu, like everything. Life yakhe izoshintsha kanjalo, yabo? Mfethu, because like me, I do regret it, mfethu. Ngani manje, you never know, mfethu. Ngani ngayidlalela Man United, but mentality yami, I want to go back home. Ukuthi ngifike endlini and ngifike eZimbabwe anokusuvela uma-tries e-Europe into ezingenasidingo, yabo?
Some of the things we embarrass to say them and mention them. Because if you look like into encane mhlawumbe na-16 yase-Europe mhlawumbe edlalele emadolobha. Mina I'm playing here like at the highest level. But leyo ntwana ungathola ukuthi more left ngangihlula mo cross it ball. We playing the same position. I'm an attacking player now, you're attacking player. But ngo-cross it ball with my weaker foot. Wangangihlula like by far. No, 16. He's not even a first team player yet.
Yeah.
Well, those are some of the things that we don't look at Tinala.
Yeah.
And it's embarrassing, my man. It's very embarrassing.
Yabo nje uyibona TV. Kanti bayidela ibhola. Bayenza live abantu. Sashaya uma kupesa saswesa phansi. Bashaya into encane akaziskishini wena. Guys, mabambe basususile. Bashiyete gijima so much mfana. Into nipheka ngeke ivuthu into nipheka. Uthi wachaza ukuthi gijima ma. Yini la pesika so gijima. Hayi majority yabo ngigijima. Xa usibona kanti bayi okay kodwa ibanzima.
And there was, and it all goes back to what? Development.
Bese sathi South Africa umuntu ongagijima akadlali ibhola. Umuntu angakho bhaji akadlali.
Akudlala ibhola.
uBusquets ucwebe udlale highest level wazwaqeda ukusebenzisa ingqondo.
But
Hlala kudala methaliswa kudala
I
number
can
6
say that as the best. He's within the big names that you can mention more but number 6 blind.
but sometimes when ungafika ngakwathi ukuthi uzatshwe kanjani uBusquets number 6 wakephi wena.
Away.
bakubuza iminyaka uyishwa ngeke cha ngiyona iminyaka yakho le umncane kakhulu kanti lokhu ucwebe kodwa ingqondo ikhona
Yabona
Eka sakhula vele bese sikhona South Africa unemba sesimone uyibhali bese ukwazi usikina kwasana yabo
Yini kodwa
kusho position ngempela kuthiwa ngeke udlala uyishilo ipost kanti yona ebhudi kiwa
yini ngingayisho kuma young player ke wona angaba different maybe in 30 years come because phela isikhathi asifani and the technology and maybe developments ngazo sizoshintsha yabo kuze
Yona ama alele
But kodwa
us as players we can't do anything about it.
imali bese finalana. It's all about into esingayisho thina la
The government yethu idengashintsha lezo zinto ey'ndala.
imali no
Not Tina, we can say as much. Now they've said, I'm sure other players who have played the game before and they've said, you know, some of the stuff that we're speaking about right now. But uyazi abantu who should take care of the development area South Africa. Okay, football era almost at 5. Sugar, Charlotte, Double Cuba. Rugby, there's schools, but rugby. TV and ikhona netball edlala nakhona on TV but leli ngala isadlala rugby more prominent kunala ngala ebhola iraphi umuntu screws bani iraphi masuka la i-KZN versus Capricorn versus Cap Sharks beni uphumelele emboleni uyafika kanjani uScrews Shandisa probably aye versus isizini adlale versus Capricorn lekhona wabona ukuthi inkinga ngeke ngalaba yes baqala babancane badlala esikoleni it's some sort of development not development yabo iraphi nakhona baqala esikoleni ngana bebancane ku form of development kule development ekhonekile from lapho kuye ku-PA varsity for varsity and then Sharks impilo yaphumelela ngala kithi kuyahamba kuphelele sama rawo umahluko lokho
yini ongafisa ukisho kuma-fans kuma-viewers ethu ezi-arrows nabantu basezimi family yakho because ngathi bakulandela-ke manje kakhulu ezimi yini ongafisa ukisho nje le
Mina lami first of all guys like ngiyathanda ukulibonga lonke like alizile lapho ne and then and second of all like thank you my family for always supporting me yabona like that's what I said uthi I'm a human being also I'm not 100% but ngiyabonga ukuthi bahlale benjani really support yami yabo and then like ama-fans e-Arrows like I said it last week ukuthi can you please come to the stadium, fill up the stadium so we games and us we promise to fight every game. Thank you for spending the day with me. I really enjoy. Hope you guys can enjoy and please subscribe to Update Through channel Golden Arrows for life.